Billy Bridger? Says on my pad here, criminal use of explosives, assault, attempted armed robbery, arson, attempted armed robbery. Did you try and rob the same bank 3 times?
No.
Oh, yes, you did. Because you're Billy Bridger. You are the son of big, bad, horrible Arthur Bridger. I'm Arthur fucking Bridger. Give me the fucking money. Now that's your dad, isn't it? So how comes he didn't get sent down with you then?
Because I did all them jobs on your own.
Oh, yeah? I've got a little deal for you. I'm putting together a unit. You're gonna fucking love it. It's right up your street, your sort of thing. And it's got to be better than being in there.
I'll be fine.
What sort of unit?
Tell me, Bridger, do you like the seaside?
Do you like the fucking seaside?
Teams of 2, move!
I'm sick! I'm chucking me guts up over here!
Oh.
And you're just strolling off!
Oh, Bridger, liven yourself up, come on. There's a lovely little ice cream shop down there and I'm treating you to a cornet.
Give me a sec, will ya? I can barely move without spilling over.
What do you want me to do? Tuck you in and get you your teddy? Now come on, get moving. You still have the explosives on you?
Yeah. I modified them a bit and all.
I see. You two, you know what to do! Careful with this one, Mason. Up and over! That's a Stuka incoming.
Them the planes were meant to blow up?
Yeah, that's them all right. Head down. You know the drill.
Have you been here before? Do you know where we're going?
Oh yeah, I come here all the time. I bring the missus along sometimes.
So that's a no then, is it? You don't know where we're going?
Listen, this job requires a certain amount of think on your feet. Do you understand?
Right. Yeah. Right.
Move it, move it!
Got some jerrys over here. Looks like a load of barrels.
You know I wouldn't try using them for cover. You never know what's inside.
I can see the airstrip. It's a long way off, though.
The hangar there is most likely secured. So once you're down there, pull your finger out your ass and find a way inside.
Looks like lots of rubbish. Maybe an alarm.
Yeah, probably a radio too. Now it's going to be best to watch out for both because we don't need more enemies showing up. Are you sure about these bombs of yours?
These safe pack of specials? They'll blow this place to pieces, mate, don't you worry. What if I get caught, though? You're just gonna piss off and leave me, yeah? Get all the glory yourself?
Glory? There ain't no fucking glory, son. Now listen to me, carefully. I'm gonna put my bombs on those planes over there, and you are gonna put yours on them now.
Yeah, all right.
Do not get caught. I'll be waiting for you at the meeting point.
I'm on it.
No time to waste, son. Down you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy, easy! Fuck this for a game of soldiers. You horrible bastard, Mason.
Hey, kämpft weiter! Was zur Hölle? Sieh doch, da ist was. Vorsicht jetzt! Feind ist verwundet! Verdammt, komm mit! Oh! Hab getroffen! Der Hauptmann ist ganz schön wütend auf ihn.
Fuck this for a game of soldiers.
Ich weiß nicht, wovon du sprichst, Kamerad! Hier ist einer! Sie sind hier, verdammt! Im Inneren der verdammten Basis! Irgendjemand! Hilfe! Einer von denen! Ja! Wir müssen weiter! Sturmangriff, überall reinziehen! Signal wird abgefeuert! Ich sehe nicht mehr das Kino! Die sind getroffen! Verloren! Verdammt!
Vielleicht da drüben.
Scheiße! Hier ist einer von denen! Achtung, Rakete! Sie sind hier! Verdammt! Weg! die Suche! Innerhalb der Basis! Die Feuer!
Well, looks like someone left the window open. Hello, sweetheart. That ought to do it. Time to get out of here.
Direkt hier!
Your bombs almost killed me.
Yeah, that's because my bombs went off. What about yours?
Mine are gonna go up any second. Which is...
Jesus Christ, Bridget, did you plant your bombs or not?
Wait for it.
I'm telling you now, these special explosives of yours, they better be really fucking special.
Wait for it.
Bridget.
Any second now.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Here we are, up Fritz's shitter, and I ask you to do one thing. One fucking thing that you tell me that you're a big expert
Can I
in.
just say
No, you
that-
can't, because what the fucking hell was that?
I've occasionally had teething problems.
Teething problems? Don't make me fucking laugh. I could have done that with a fucking light breeze, a speck of rain, or a tiny teeny bird perched on that wing would have done more damage.
Keep your head down! That's it! Come on over and have a lovely chat with us. More Snooker's coming in!
Oh, hello. You want some and all, do ya?
Auf geht's, alle! Halt, die haben erwischt! Scheiße, hab sie verloren! Ich schicke dich in die Hölle! Kann mir jemand...
All right, you son of a bitch. It's my turn now. Him! Jesus Christ, Richard, that was incredible. Thanks, yeah, you're welcome.
You're a fucking disaster.
Me? You're the one who's gonna got himself shot full of holes, ain't ya?
Yeah, because of you, you tit.
Listen, I was sitting pretty in prison, mate. I was not bothering nobody, not getting shots at you. You come along. This is your fucking fault.
Listen to me. You took the fucking deal. You want to start paying it off your end? Then you need to fucking liven yourself up, boy. Do you understand me?
Halt! Wer seid ihr?
Verfluchte Scheiße!
You're gonna have to do this next one on your own, all right? Just like you did all those banks, remember?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get it done, no bother. You all right?
Yeah, of course I am. Listen. Take this. This goes bang on everything.
Right. I'll get down there and finish it up. Get you some help. I'm holding you to that deal.
Yeah, just do the job and we'll see. I want to have a little kip in this shithole. Don't stand there staring at me. Move. Go.
You do all the work. Well, I'll take a nap, Billy. Sounds about right. Let's get rid of all these lovely supplies, shall we?